To clean or replace the air filter on your Ranger SP570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the cargo box latch and pivot the box up. Before continuing, clean the area around the airbox with a clean, dry cloth. Next, unlatch the 6 cover clips. Then, lift the cover out to remove. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, loosen the clamp on the filter neck. Then, slide the filter rearward to remove it from the intake duct and lift out of the airbox. Inspect the filter for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean the intake boot and airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Also, ensure the airbox cover is clean before reinstalling. Next, reinstall the air filter and ensure it is fully seated. Then, align the clamp over the air filter and intake boot, and torque the clamp to specification. Next, reinstall the airbox cover by aligning the cover seal along the grooves on the airbox and pressing down firmly to engage the seal. Then, secure the 6 cover latches. Before continuing, ensure the cover seal is properly seated. Finally, tilt the cargo box down and ensure it is properly latched. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.